This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Confirm the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and you have the SSID and password. Click the network icon on the taskbar to open Quick Settings. If airplane mode is on, turn it off. This restores wireless radios. Make sure Bluetooth or VPN won't block scanning. Once Quick Settings shows available networks, you've completed the first step and are prepared to select and connect to the correct Wi-Fi network. Find your network SSID in the list and click it to open the connection pane. If you expect it to reconnect automatically, tick Connect Automatically before proceeding. Enter the network password carefully, then click Connect. Windows authenticates and assigns an IP via DHCP. For hidden networks, choose Join Hidden Network and type the exact SSID and security type. This prevents mismatches. Once Windows shows connected, move on to After connecting, open Settings Network and Internet to confirm IP, gateway, and signal strength. This verifies successful authentication and DHCP assignment. Set the network profile to private when on a trusted home network to enable device discovery and file sharing. If pages don't load, run the built-in network troubleshooter or update the Wi-Fi driver in Device Manager. Often a driver refresh resolves missing connectivity. If problems persist, reboot the router and your PC before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.